Knowledge is a treasure difficult to measure. Science is a boon. Its magic is carrying the man to the moon. Hello everyone, I am Khushi Agrawal of 17 years old, belongs to Dhangadi, and currently I am studying in grade 11 from NAS Secondary School. The topic of my speech is Satellite Improves Life. How do you define the word satellite? An artificial body placed in orbit, moon, planet, or machine that orbits a planet or star, or something that is launched into space, right? But beyond this definition, an amazing definition of the word satellite is a precious gift by science that has turned our lives from dullness to brightness. Yes, life without satellite is like a person without heart. There are two major types of satellites. They are natural and man-made. Natural satellites would be, for example, our moon. However, within the scope of man-made satellite, there are several types such as communication satellite, navigation satellite, remote sensing satellite, ground satellite, and many more. Every satellite has its own role. All of them play a vital role in our life. Every satellite has to be designed specifically to fulfill its function. Even though they are in orbit, 100 or even 1000 kilometers above us, satellites are part of our everyday life, whether we know it or not. There are lots of examples that will make you clear about how satellites have improved our life. Let's start from the very basic thing, food. Everyone eats food, right? No doubt at all. Eating cereals full of bowls in the morning is only possible because of satellite. Yes, farmers use radar satellite image to determine the best time for the irrigation and harvesting their wheat. As grains in your cereals growing in the field, satellites were probably looking on from the above. And how many of you watch games on the TV? What a fool question here, almost everyone. To get the arena of your TV screen, footage of the match is transmitted by the satellite signal. Only because of satellite you get to cheer on your favorite team during power play from the comfort of your living room. And mobile phones, one of the basic needs of humans nowadays. But you know what, without satellite your mobile phones are just an empty box. Posting an Instagram story is only possible because of satellite high-speed internet subscription. Your story may zip through the stars before reaching your friends. From orbit, the satellites have comprehensive view of Earth, its atmosphere and ecosystem. Gathering data is freely available to all the students and researchers of the world. That includes you. Not only this, they provide support and information to the global communication, safety and defense, security and emergency management, and the health and environment. As technology advances, the potential of satellite will undoubtedly continue to grow. Man-made satellites are very important and impressive pieces of technology, but they do have some downsides too. They are high in cost, not always reliable, and hard to maintain. But in front of its huge advantages, there is no value of its disadvantages. Can we just imagine our life without satellite? Could we able to survive without satellite? Absolutely not. Almost all of the applications are depend upon the space technology. Satellites have improved our life totally. From communication to navigation, from navigation to safety, from safety to weather forecasting, from weather forecasting to business and finance, satellites have improved our life. In conclusion, while we may not always realize or acknowledge their importance, the important role they play we cannot able to underestimate. They contribute considerably to our well-being and enable us to achieve our objectives in new and innovative way. Thank you.